This is the brand new OnePlus S60. If you want flagship level performance and outstanding battery life, then this might just be your top choice. No more talking, let's get straight to the unboxing. It's still the familiar OnePlus signature yellow packaging. This time, the OnePlus set comes in 3 colors. The one I have here is called Hidden Green, and the included silicone case matches the same color scheme. This green is a low saturation, fresh shade that looks really clean and refreshing. Depending on the lighting, you might even catch a hint of warm red, which makes it look quite unique. Looking at the back, the OnePlus S6T continues the metallic cube design from the OnePlus S6, with a buckle design paired with a brand new hidden green color. The overall look is very minimalistic and fresh. Compared to the S6, there are 2 main differences. First, the addition of the Diego Ace logo, and second, a change in the shape of the flash. The entire camera module is made of metal, and it uses the same color scheme as the body, giving it a much stronger sense of unity. More importantly, the size of the camera opening is just right. When we play games in landscape mode, our fingers never get bumped or poked, making the experience very comfortable. The rounded corners on all 4 sides of the phone are also handled exceptionally well. The transition between Sun Wukong and Monkey King is extremely smooth, and since the edges themselves are curved, you can hardly feel any discomfort when holding it. The back cover also feels silky smooth, with a fine matte texture similar to the S61, making it delicate to the touch and resistant to fingerprints, so it's easy to keep clean. When it comes to details, the OnePlus SLT really stands out. It comes equipped with 3D ultrasonic fingerprint recognition. Recognition is incredibly fast and highly accurate. In use, whether your hands are dry or wet, it almost always unlocks instantly. Besides water resistance, OnePlus has gone all out, achieving full IP66, IP68, and IP69K ratings, 4 top-level dust-proof and waterproof certifications, making it a true grand slam in smartphone water resistance. Whether you're swimming, playing in water, or showering, you can take it with you without worry. On the front, there's a top-tier, one-of-a-kind 6.83-inch flat display with a 165Hz high refresh rate. Paired with 1.5K ultra-clear resolution, it's absolutely dominant compared to other products in the same price range. If you love gaming and want the ultimate experience, then with this 165Hz refresh rate and the smooth ColorOS 16, the OnePlus S6T might just be the smoothest phone at this price point. Alright, that's a quick unboxing experience of the OnePlus ST. There will be more detailed reviews coming up about its performance, battery life, and camera capabilities, so follow me and don't miss out. See you in the next video.